Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope that you are all doing great. Happy New Year. And in today's video, I'll teach you just a simple trick that will allow you to unlock the notes on Enotes without a subscription. So first of all, I would like just to say that we won't hack anything. There is a built-in tool in your browser that allows you to access or to unlock the notes. So in today's video, I'll teach you how you can use this built-in tool in your browser and hope it helps. So let's switch. I'm studying Clara and the Sun. Let's just try to check any notes on the theme of the novel. I will just type here theme of Clara and the Sun, and then we will add Enotes. Let's just close that, and let's click on the first one. Okay, so as we can see here, it won't allow me to read the full note until I get a subscription. If you have money and if you can get subscription, I recommend you to do that. Can you see this little icon on the right section here? It's called the reader view, and that's a really good tool. So we will just click on it, and let's scroll down. As you can see here, it has been unlocked. Okay, that's it. And if you like the video, kindly press like, subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram, and see you next time inshallah. Salam.